Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to send a message or a location on WhatsApp without saving that number. Normally this is useful whenever your delivery guy wants you to send him a location but you don't want to save his number on WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you two methods to do this. Let's start. So I have two links here. One is the api.whatsapp.com/send, and you need to provide the phone number, and you have warmy slash the phone number, and it proceeds with the country code. So whichever country you're in, you can use that country code. So I'll provide these links below in the video description. So just type the phone number to whom you want to share the location. So I have this one number which is not saved in my contacts, and after typing this, just select this link and you see a WhatsApp. Just click on the WhatsApp and it directly takes you to that WhatsApp, and you can just type your message. And the second option is using Wami. So the same way, you just type in the phone number here and just copy that link and click on WhatsApp, and it takes you to the same, and you can just type in your message. You can also use I'm using Keep to type my message on the link here. You can do the same thing from Google search like this: wa.me slash country code whichever you're in, and the proceeding with the phone number 5708882, and click on search. It will just take you to the WhatsApp. That's all, my friend. Thank you.